Okay guys, today I want to show you my current spacey updates. I made an update yesterday, but I think I need to clarify something more right now. As price is already moving, just like always. Now, I had a quick disclaimer. Today in the evening, I will upload a video about my worst expectations or the worst case scenario for altcoins in 2025 and coming into 2026. I think this will be a very important video for you if you consider investing in altcoins. If you have altcoins and you don't know what to do right now because the market is not looking that nice, I think this is a must watch if you have some of those thoughts. But now let's jump into the Bitcoin. So one bullish, one bearish scenario. It's pretty simple. If you guys watched the video from yesterday, you already kinda know what we are looking out for. So let's start right now with the bearish scenario because price is simply moving down. So the bearish but eventually bullish scenario is this one where we have here an ABC and a W, counting a wave X and looking for an ABC in wave Y. So why do I say eventually bullish scenario? Well, simply this is a complex structure, a double zigzag, and eventually we will take out all-time highs again to see a wave 5. Now, what is to mention here is your wave X is pretty short compared to the length in time of your wave W and also to the wave Y, which is currently forming. So that is something to consider, that it's not preferred to have such a short wave X to compare to your wave W's and Y's. But of course it happens, and wave X, not wave X, but time can never be a confirmator or a invalidator. So that is not something that can invalidate the scenario. So here we are looking at a diagonal in your wave A, right? We count this a wave A, B, and C to the downside. So now where we actually took out, like after CPI, took out the lows, we can count here this as an ABC and put your wave 5 here. So I actually did not look at the moment at what is happening not in this bearish candle right now. So I cannot say from here on if your wave 5 is already in, if this is an impulse, or if we are looking at a wave 4 and a 5 to the downside where we take out this low once more on lower time frames. But it is not important right now. So in this scenario, we are looking at a diagonal which is likely finished here, right? In a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did not touch the 1-to-1 extension, which is what we want to see. And then we are looking for a 3-wave corrected structure to the upside in a wave B and then a wave C to the downside. So this wave C is then looking to take out these two lows at least. So we are probably looking at something like 89, 85, 87K, something like that. But this is only if this move to the upside is corrective. As we always have a bullish scenario, which is this one, right? In this bullish scenario, if I zoom in a little bit better so you can see it, we count this as a wave A W, X, A, B, C, and Y, and then looking for upside. So the thing is, with those two scenarios, we are actually looking at the same thing right now. So in this scenario, W, X, A, B, C is finished. Or this wave C is likely finished, but we of course can see a little bit deeper C, but it doesn't matter right now. So what is the important thing is here that after this wave C is finished and after we finish the wave Y of the wave B, we are looking for upside, just as you can see here on the drawn polyline. Now the major difference here between this scenario and the bearish scenario is the type of the move we see. If this is an impulse, so we can count here a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, then we are looking to take out this high at least. But if this is an 3-wave structure, then we're looking for 89K at least. So this move to the upside really is the difference. Going higher, I mean, going higher, going lower, that is the difference. As in both, in this scenario and in this scenario, we are looking right now, like if I draw it, see, if I overlay both of those scenarios, you can see the polylines go both here on the upside. So it really depends on the move to the upside we see here. And out of that reaction, we can see if probabilities are higher for the bulls or higher for the bears. As right now, we cannot really say anything. As yes, let's take in the bullish scenario, this range is very, very long compared to this impulse. But in the bearish scenario, the wave X is very short compared to the wave W. So both scenarios have their flaws. So we really have to look at the retracement. So I hope you like this quick Bitcoin update. You should be knowing right now what to look out for. If you want the quickest and fastest updates, join my Discord channel. There I will always update you once I see something important. And otherwise, yeah, simply stick to this YouTube channel. I will always update you here as well. So with that in mind, bye bye, see you next time. Or today evening at the worst case scenario for altcoins.